Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So we are going to see today day number 25 of our 60 days live trading campaign, and the code for today is learn every day. This is I have kept on telling you every time, but the second point is also most important. It is especially from the experiences of others because it's more cheaper. So friends, this 60 days campaign also is something related to this, where I am showing you the experience, the journey of a trader, how it has to be, what are the mistakes done, how to learn from those mistakes. So all these things out of my experience which I am doing, you are also learning it by seeing through this campaign, by taking part in this campaign and learning this trend course and practicing this, implementing it. Okay, so what I'm saying is it is more cheaper because you are gaining out of somebody else's experience. Otherwise, in case if you start doing for yourself, the amount of losses you make, amount of money you lose, so let's not talk about it. Okay, and also in the same kind of thing, one more options trading tactics out of experience. I'm teaching you about adjustments. It's not concentrating on strategy. You will get any number of strategies available on YouTube, but I'll be concentrating more towards the adjustments. How do you do adjustments so that you can remain profitable every month? It's a 5-part course. If you want details, you can just WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525, and take part in the journey. Okay. So going to the live trading campaign, the stock selected was Infosys, Infy, and we had very clear indication that the stock was trending. So that is why we took the levels of trending. That is nothing but we took the breakouts. So let us calculate the targets and the stop losses. The target comes to 4.3 and the stop loss comes, it's nothing but 0.4%. It comes to 2.84. So let us take the stop loss as 2.8. Now let us calculate the quantity. Quantity is nothing but loss divided by stop loss. I've been telling all through my videos and I've been training you in the same thing. This will give you a clear understanding of how much loss you will be getting before starting the trade itself. Okay, and then similarly we place the sell order also, and the sell order we can just observe that the levels have been going to hit. It's going to touch 710, but never mind, we will place our sell order also. Let us not wait for the market to give its direction. We will keep the trap for the market. Let us not wait for the market. Okay, so similarly the buy and the sell orders also have been placed. So this is what you all to do, nothing else should be done. Just place 2 orders and leave and wait for one order to get triggered. So when one order gets triggered, you have to just log into the screen. Till then nothing else has to be done. Okay, so at around 136 you can see that one of the order was completed. Yes, you can see the buy order was completed. So then immediately we have to log in and we have to cancel the other order, and I'll just show you that yes, both the one buy order has been completed and the sell order has been cancelled. And we'll just look into the portfolio. We started off making small losses. That's okay, part of the strategy. And end of the day we made a loss of 999. That is, our target of loss was 1000, so we have got loss of near to 1000 rupees. So this is how the discipline which we have to maintain and trade daily. And let us quickly update into our Excel. It was Infy, so the loss was minus 999. Never mind, as long as overall we are in profits, you don't have to worry. So this is how the journey is. We completed day number 25 and we are close to about 20% returns as of now in this journey. Any doubts, any confusion, always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Thank you. Have a nice day.